The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, there's reports out there about an incident that had happened where persons that is said to be supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party had fell from a JUTC bus while the vehicle was moving. This incident said to have happened on Constant Spring Road, right near to the intersection of Dunrobin Road, and this incident had happened on the 24th of November 2019. Alright? Now, it is said that at least 3 persons had to be taken to the hospital with life-threatening injuries. Alright? And it is said that the JUTC bus that was filled with Jamaica Labour Party supporters were on their way to the annual Jamaica Labour Party conference that was being held at the National Arena. It is said that the vehicle was on its way to the conference when a window broke and persons fell from the moving vehicle. Now, there's a video that is out on social media that shows of the scene of the incident that had happened where persons had fell from the JUTC bus that is at Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew, Jamaica. And this video is a short video clip. However, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what had happened. However, before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Hospital, please. Please.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.